Hey guys, Mechanics Live here, and today I want to make a short video on this product right here. It's called Micro Mechanic Engine Light Check. So I just had some spare time to waste, and I saw this thing at Walgreens, and it claims that it can do a lot of things. This is what it is. You plug it into the OBD2, and wirelessly it displays you the diagnostics. So let's see if this thing actually works. I have a lien code on this vehicle, which is a P0171, and it's on bank 1, I believe. And now I'm gonna go ahead and connect this guy. We're gonna go ahead and open this. It's gonna be hard with one hand, but we're gonna go ahead and try anyways. Okay, so it comes with a little booklet. Tells you what's going on. Explains all kinds of different stuff. There we go. How to connect it. We don't need that. I already downloaded the app on my phone, which is right here. It's Micro Mechanic. Okay, this is the little OBD2 port. So we're gonna go ahead and put this inside. There we go. So it's in. And now we're going to try again. Alright. It's asking me to start scan. There you go. It's telling me that there's no problems found. And the funny thing, I can't even reset the light. Nope, nothing. What does this do? Oh, it just tells you different services. As I knew, Jesus. This thing was 20 bucks, so I would definitely not recommend anybody buying this. Which I'm gonna go ahead and return right now, because this thing does not work. It doesn't show anything. It doesn't show a single code. It doesn't show live data, anything, nothing. It's just, oh wait, it says unlock pro version to see real-time gauges and performance timer. But even without the pro version, you're supposed to at least see the code, and tells you what the code is. Well, anyways, this is a short video on show you an unboxing and a review for Micro Mechanic, which I would stay away from. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thanks, guys.